Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to part 2 of how to make an Easter paper squishy with packaging. So this is how my packaging box turned out. I really like it, and what I need to just do now is just tape the bottom bits up, but I can do that off screen because you know how to do that anyway. Okay, so now you need to get a sheet of paper and fold it in half like you would in a normal paper squishy. Okay, so after you've done that, you need to get a pencil or a pen and you need to draw an egg shape on one side of the sheet of paper like you would in a normal paper squishy. And then, after you've done that, you need to cut that out, like the egg shape out, and do like an Easter egg packaging design, like the cover of an Easter egg, like a chocolate wrapper. And I did a chick hatching out of lots of different sweets in an egg. You'll see what I mean later. So after you've done that, you need to get some sheets of paper that are quite thick and long. And you can colour these in if you want, but I just didn't because I didn't want to. And then you need to get some tape, scotch or packaging. I have packaging lying around, so I used packaging. And you need to cut the packaging tape into like little slits on the piece of paper, but make sure you don't cut the paper, okay? So then after you've done that, you need to get your egg and just fold down the bits of tape that you folded, that you cut into slits, and fold it down onto the Easter egg. So after you've done that, you need to get some more tape and just put it round on the top edge and then cut that sellotape into slits. And then you have to get your other piece of the egg, like the other side, and then fold those bits of sellotape down onto the other side of the egg. So then after you've done that, you need to get your egg and get some sellotape and then just sellotape over all the bits that are showing with just paper. So then when you finish it, then it won't be crinkly when you play with it. So this is how my one turned out. I think it turned out very well. I really like the box because the egg fits in perfectly. And overall, I think it's quite, I really like it. And if you didn't know that you have to tape up the side that you cut down, you have to tape down the side of the box so that it's like a box again. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to find out more videos about cooking, arts and crafts and more. So bye bye. Happy Easter everybody.